Alright guys, I'm still feeling a little bit under the weather, but I can't sit around anymore. I'm tired of just doing nothing. So I'm going to sand the roadrunner a little bit more, and I've got my makeshift heater in place. That's right. 4 burners, and it basically heats up the shop. This way, the car will be a little better. It'll be a little warmer now when I work on it. I still can't paint it yet, but at least I can do what I got to do on it. Okay, also, we have got to finish the cross member on the Bronco. Get that all taken care of. According to UPS and the trackings, I should be getting the lift kit today, so I may do something really stupid and try to lift the car. We'll see. It depends. We'll see. All right, guys, keep watching, and you'll watch all the craziness that we're going through. All right, guys, UPS just showed up. We have the lift kit for the Bronco. 3-inch lift. That's going to look killer. That'll give me more than enough clearance for what we're looking for. Also, we got the new gauge faces for the Trans Am gauges. So those are going to make it really nice. The white is good because we're going to change the color bulbs that are in it to make it whatever color he likes, basically. And then last but not least, the new circuit board. Whoop, let me get this out of the way. The new circuit board. So all the gauges will be 100% when we're done. It's going to be a fun day. All right, guys. Keep watching. All right, guys. I think I've just hit the wall. I was doing good, got some stuff done. Now I'm freaking exhausted. This cold is beating me up. But anyway, we finally have some heat in the garage. I finally dug out the heater that my sister got me. Let's see, probably 14 years ago. LOL. So it's all ready to go. All right, guys, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.